Hi friends, welcome back to these videos. In these videos, we are going to share a new upcoming smartphone of Sony brand whose name is Sony Xperia TX 2024. Those who use mobile phone in life, that person must be known that Sony is the most popular and favorite company in the world, and also know that Sony Mobile Communications Inc. was a Japan's multinational telecommunications company founded on October 1, 2001 as a joint ventures between Sony Group corporations and organizations. Every year, the Sony company provides many big flagship mobiles, middle class phones. So let's get started. In this videos, we are going to share Sony upcoming smartphone Xperia TX 2024 price, space, and release date. We are trying to serially describe the Sony Xperia TX 2024 release date, full specifications, and price. So that with us and continue watching these videos. So let's get started. First of all, we have to discuss Sony Xperia TX 2024 full specifications. First, we are talking about displays. The Sony upcoming smartphone Sony Xperia TX 2024 comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen displays, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Good news for the Sony Xperia TX 2024 mobile lovers. This mobile use display resolutions of 1440 multiplied by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active user. After briefly describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of this special phones whose name is the camera. On the camera sections, Sony added a wide 144 megapixels primary lens, 32 megapixels ultra wide lens, 16 megapixels wide sensors, plus 5 megapixels depth sensors as a back cameras. For selfie, it has a 64 megapixels cameras. Regular camera features like zigzag optics, LED flash, panorama, and HDR edit. Now you can easily pick up pictures or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is very important part of a good smartphone. So the Sony Xperia TX 2024 used a 6900 mAh Li polymer type non-removable battery for its long-term services. After charging one time, you don't need a charging for at least 30 hours. For the fast battery charging is a common special feature for a flagship device. So this phone includes 45-watt quick battery charging features. Nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphone, they are first check the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM internal storage, plus an extra micro SD card. The Sony upcoming phones Xperia TX 2024 comes with 12GB RAMs plus 16GB RAMs and two variants 256GB and 512GB ROMs. Customer can easily exacerbate internal storage by using microSD card up to 1TB. In this operating systems sections, this smartphone added Android 13. The powerful Snapdragon's 8 Gen 3 mobile platforms make this smartphone very fast. The Sony smartphone use GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, 5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of good smartphones. So Sony Xperia upcoming mobile uses the latest sensor technology and their name is fingerprint under displays. Now we have to discuss the Sony Xperia release date. After knowing the viral news of Sony Xperia flagship smartphone, every person who loves Sony mobile phones, they are searching for the exact release date of Sony Xperia TX 2024. But we are sorry to inform you that there is not official release date available for this smartphone. The exact release date of the Sony Xperia TX 2024 is 15 August 2024, or it may be late to release for features update or company issues. Now we have to discuss the Sony Xperia mobile phones price. The official Sony Xperia TX 2024 price is not available for this upcoming smartphone. In these videos, you will find the Sony Xperia TX 2024 in India, USA, UK, Australia, UAE, KSA, Singapore, Malaysia, Russia, and a Europe country info. The Sony Xperia TX 2024 price will be started from 890 USDT to 815 euros. I hope you have completely understand all the specifications, price, release dates, cameras, RAM, more and more. Thanks for staying with us a long time and visiting Sony Xperia TX 2024 price, space, features, design, concept rumors, reviews, pre-orders by online release date and news content. Do you have any kind of questions? So do tell us in the comment sections. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.